Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder by you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around.
Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's Mad Gardener, and today I'm going to make my first fall arrangement of the year. I'm very, very excited. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and make sure you give me a thumbs up or drop me a comment. Let me know if you're ready for fall or if it's still too hot. Not gonna lie, it's still 100 degrees over here, but so many of my blooms are just ready and they're ready for a fall arrangement, so I thought, what the heck, let's get going. Okay, as you saw earlier in the video, I was harvesting everything. I have a lot of hot biscuits, biscuits, amaranthus. I have some yellow celosia, smoke bush, status, coleus, zinnias, just a wide variety of beautiful things. I think, oh yeah, look at the sedum down there. Oh, so pretty. I'm going to be working with a container that I already own. It's pottery and it's from Home Goods. I'm going to be utilizing chicken wire as my kind of floral frog in there. If you need chicken wire, you can pick this up at a local hardware store. And then I'm also going to be working in some of my dried limelight hydrangeas. I thought that might really play with the fall tone. Okay, let's get started.
Whenever you're around, yeah. Whenever you're around. I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder by you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah. Whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you, something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around, whenever you're around, yeah, whenever you're around. Dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder about you. 'Cause I can stay till the morning, stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around.
Thanks so much for joining me for this first fall arrangement of the season. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.